Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to child lock a device on the SmartLife app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have some devices in your home which you don't want your children having access to. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to the SmartLife app, then click on a device which you want to go ahead and child lock. So here we have a smart plug. Next, click on settings in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to see this option to go ahead and child lock it. So you can actually toggle this on, and with it, power on the device or press the button 4 times, then control locally. So this is going to go ahead and child lock the device, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.